Hello, how are you? How are you all? Well, I hope you're well. And something good that N26 has, which other banks like Revolut, Trade Republic, etc. do not have, is that with N26, you can deposit the physical money you have in hand into your N26 account, or also withdraw money from your N26 account, but not through ATMs. Now let's take a look, okay? So let's go to our N26 app, which we have here, okay? We log in. And here we see that we have 100 euros, in the main account, send money, etc., upcoming payments, and a lot of information. Okay, what we need to do now is go to the section where it says, down here, cards. Do you see here? The last option? At the bottom right. We click on cards. And here comes the good part. Do you see this option, deposit or withdraw cash? If we click there, the map will appear, showing where we are. And I'm here in the middle of the mountains. Do you see? And here it should show you the establishments available for withdrawing and depositing money. As you can see, there are those two options. The thing is, I live in a small village, so we see that we don't have any around, okay? But to see an example, if by chance you are from a city like San Sebastian, you see that several appear there, okay? Here, like in brown, there are 1, 2, 3. If we zoom in, we might find some more. For now, we have 3 here. And for example, if we click there, it tells us Euromobiles, Amara, currently closed. Well, because they open from Monday to Saturday from 10 to 2:30. It's late now, but imagine we are within that schedule. Then we would have to go there. Imagine I have 50 euros in cash in my pocket. I want to deposit them into my N26 account. How are we going to do this? Well, that would be a deposit. We would click on deposit. The only thing is that this has a commission of 1.5 for the transaction. And by entering 20 euros, it tells you that the minimum deposit is 50. So, well, nothing. Let's say 200. For example, 280. Well, we don't have that much in cash. Let's say we have 70. Come on, 70 is fine. So, a commission of 1.5 for the transaction, meaning, well, 1.5 euros that they will charge us. We click continue. So we won't receive 70. We'll receive 68.5, okay? Then enter your PIN. And now it asks you, do you want to deposit 70 euros? We click confirm. And now it will have created a barcode for us, which we will need to show at that establishment. And they will say, okay, this barcode is worth 70 euros. It has 70 euros. And you give them the 70 euros in cash now, and they keep it, but it gets deposited to you through this code. It's that simple, okay? We're going to let that expire because I'm not going to do it. But it would be the same for withdrawing cash. Okay, I'm going to delete it. So I click here at the top right on the trash icon. Do you want to delete the barcode? Yes, delete it because I don't need it. Okay, and now instead of depositing, I want to withdraw money. I want them to give me 50 euros, for example, in cash. I click there, because similarly, 20. 50 is going to be the minimum. 28. If we click continue, 28 is allowed. Okay, and it says, from your main account of 100 euros, are you going to withdraw 28 euros? Yes. You click continue. They ask for your PIN again, and it says withdraw cash. Do you want to withdraw 28 euros? Yes, we click confirm. And now, the barcode will appear again. Do you see this code? And with this, show the barcode to the responsible person. And they will say, tick. Okay. No. Okay, I have to give you 28 euros minus the commission, which I don't know how much it was. So that's what you'll get. And that's how you withdraw from the place, okay? I mean, it's more or less understood. Well, I'll delete it again. And if not, we always have the find ATMs option. Because from an ATM, obviously, you can also withdraw cash. And here I do see several appearing around here. Do you see? Here, I click. It tells me, Banco Guipuzcoano. You have 2 free withdrawals left. Perfect. And here, which is also nearby, Banco Santander, you have 2 free withdrawals left. So you see that also from ATMs, there are 2 ways. I find this incredible. So that's it. This has been everything. Thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, comment, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Goodbye.